Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Ensure you have subscription-level RBAC and access to the resource group, because without rights you cannot triage. Once done, capture the Latch service version and recent deploy timestamps to isolate changes. Then immediately pull logs, platform, application, and container or kernel logs if applicable. These artifacts tell you what failed and when. Make sure to store logs in a secure blob or workspace for the next diagnostic phase. Next, dig into complex diagnostics and execute targeted fixes. You should map error codes to known issues and consult the service release notes. This explains root causes faster. Once mapped, reproduce the crash in staging with the same inputs and enable debug-level telemetry for one run so you capture stack, metrics, and memory traces. If a build caused it, use deployment slots or a canary release to roll back or patch incrementally. Because incremental changes, reduce blast radius and validate the remedy safely. Finish by validating recovery and applying operational controls. Run smoke tests and at least 2 production-like runs to confirm stability, and then implement alerts. Set thresholds, retries, and a circuit breaker to prevent repeated crashes. Once done, update runbooks and automate the remediation steps you validated. If issues persist, increase tracing granularity and escalate to Azure support with collected logs and repro steps. This speeds resolution. One key tip: if behavior is intermittent, capture a long-duration trace before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.